Hi everyone, welcome to Sunanta Daily Channel. Today I have some special cuisine to share you. I gonna make recipe without kitchen because I live in apartment. Sometimes we don't have kitchen to cook, right? And I gonna share you how to cook without kitchen. And this cuisine is very popular in Thailand. We call Tom Yum Goong. Today I gonna make authentic cuisine. Tom Yum Goong might have two versions in Thailand. We call Tom Yum Goong Nam Sai and Tom Yum Goong Nam Khon. It's the clear version and creamy version. Today I gonna make the creamy version without using milk and chili paste, and it's like the authentic cuisine. Now I have the chicken stock, right? If you don't have chicken stock, you can use water. And I already take out the shrimp shell, and you just only head and just only shell to use shrimp stock. Yeah, add the shell into the pot. Now I got my shrimp stock. How to make the shrimp stock is very easy way. You just use the shrimp shells, and the ingredients are 5 of herbs. Just use the lemongrass, galangal, the red onion, and the kaffir lamb leaf, and red chili, and mix the ingredient, mix all of those herbs into the shrimp stock. Now my stock is ready to cook, and before making the Tom Yum Goong, I want to share you what is the ingredients. And yeah, the main ingredient I use the prawns. I use 5 prawns, but if you want more than 5, you can use more than that you want. And the herb main ingredient, I use the lemongrass and galangal. Galangal is look like the ginger, but it's not ginger because ginger is the hot flavor, but galangal is cooling flavor. And this is kaffir lamb leaf. Kaffir lamb leaf it come out the aroma, very good smell. And the red onion is can give the sweet flavor, very nice. And the Thai chili is the we call prickino. Prickino is super spicy, and I like it. And today I use the rice store mushroom. You can use another type of mushroom, such as the oyster or another kind of store mushroom instead. It depends on what your favorite, but my favorite is rice store mushroom. And I use the coriander for decoration. The main ingredients for seasoning is the lamb. Lamb is for sour flavor, and salt, and fish sauce. Okay, let's get started.
Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me, gonna dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger, just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I am getting better. We know that we can get crazy when some things seem hazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you're feeling. you're gonna hear me. Gonna dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger just to be together. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time. I'm getting better, you getting better. We getting better this time.
I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question, you can leave your comment below this video. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.